this is your tarot reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep on getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. Friends, this is going to be a July 2020 prediction. Let's see what's in cards for you guys. Hi Virgos, let's see what's in cards for you. So friends, this is your July 2020 spread. We will start with the spread, but before that I would like to mention that this is a sun sign based reading. That is, you have to select your sign basis your date of birth and accordingly choose the sign which you align to and go for the reading. Just remember that this is a general reading, so I'll be mentioning multiple possibilities, as there are multiple people, like hundreds and lakhs and hundreds of people who are born on the same sun sign and who are in the different stage of their life cycle. So we will select, so they all are going through different stages, and I intend to give message to most of the people who are aligning with the spread. So you have to pick and choose the advice that aligns with you most. So we'll quickly jump to your energy oracle card. What is your energy that you're surrounded by in the coming month of July? For Virgos, we have the world in the reverse position. So somewhere it is going to be a tough time for you in the coming month. The world reverse energy shows that things are not going to happen as per your way. They are not going to happen as per your wish, because your stars are not aligned to what you are expecting, dreaming or wishing. So you might not get support of people whom you want to be with you. You might not get help, vision, and you might not get support in terms of making your things happen from the people around you, because of the energy that is surrounding you. So specifically, in which field will you experience the resistance? Let's see what is in cards. We'll start with your relationship card. We have 3 of swords in the upright position. Now this card is suggesting that it's a sign of fights happening in your relationship. So if at all you are in marriage setup, this is the possibility that there is a possibility that you are going to experience a heartbreak. There is a possibility of two-timing by your spouse. There is a possibility of cheating, hurting you with bad and harsh words. There is a possibility of fights and arguments and distancing and being unloved, feeling unloved, and very much bad air surrounding you, negativity surrounding the relationship. So if this relationship matters to you, try to seek for guidance from the right people, either from counselors or friends and family who are well-wishers, to heal the relationship. Otherwise it is going to be very bad phase in the relationship. It might even lead to breakup and separation. So just take care of that. If the relationship has been sulking for quite some time, even in that case, this is going to get bitter and bad in the coming month because of the stars. Things are going to get little worse. So again, here you need to seek the guidance and help to get out of the situation, or of the marriage, or of the partnership, or of the dating arrangement. So somewhere I can see separation, fights, arguments, distancing coming your way, and you might have to seek guidance and help either from your inner self or from somebody external, who is from your friends and family, or a counselor. Professional counselor is also expected. So just take care of yourself during this phase. Don't let yourself break because of the tough time that you are going through emotionally. Relationships with other people is also going to suffer to an extent, but there you can at least distance yourself and space out so that you don't lead to argument. But the closest of relationships, like your spouse, your partner, your kids, your parents, these relationships you have to really take care of, so that you don't end up hurting each other, because people end up remembering the bad arguments, bad fight, bad things that you have said for each other during that phase of fight, rather than remembering the positive and good memories. So don't build on any bad memory for sure during this phase. Be aware, because you are right now listening to this reading. Coming to your career, we have King of Pentacles but in the reverse position. So somewhere there are two options, possibilities here. Either you yourself who are in control of your job, who are in control of your business or your relation or your skills, you are not feeling in control of it now in this coming time, because you're not able to manage your work well because of some technical issues, or you're not able to manage the people to get the work done. You're not able to get that kick or get that vision to get the work done. Somewhere your money issues are getting blocked. You're not able to mint money, you're not able to generate income for the company or for the work that you're working on, because of which there is a lack of control, there is a delay happening in work, and it is going to affect your image, your goodwill. There is a possibility that you might be asked to come down from the position that you are in, which is going to be the worst case. Of course, not everybody will go through it, but most of the people will feel blocked in terms of closure of things at your work. Positive closure is delayed, positive closure is not happening. Then there is also possibility that some evil person, a person with evil mindset, I would say, there is no person evil, the mindset would be evil. So person who is not your well-wisher, who is in the senior position, is trying to pull you back. So somebody is trying to badmouth you, spoil your reputation, spoil your career, trying to play politics and get you into dirty politics for no reason. So all these things are possible. So here you have to be really very extra careful. Don't mess around with people, don't try to get into any politics. It is not going to do good to you. Just go to the job, do your work that is assigned to you, come back peacefully. Try to divert your attention from that negative energy to something that excites you, keeps you busy and happy. So try to celebrate with your friends and family, try to spend time with them, try to spend time with your hobbies or interest, so that the negative energy that you are getting right now due to your career, due to your work and due to your relationship doesn't rub on your health. So in case of your financial issues, we can see in case of your financial status, we can see you fighting on a higher grounds in terms of financial balancing out. So there are people who are trying to go against you. There are energies which are playing against you in terms of financial stability also. However, you are able to gain some ground and settle in terms of financial planning. You might have to compromise with certain ambitions, certain aspects of your financial planning, but you will be able to sail through it. So it is still not as bad as other two aspects. Coming to your health, we can see 6 of swords but in the reverse position, which so somebody was trying to help you out, but somewhere things are not happening and you are still stuck there. So either you are not taking their help, either you are not accepting their help, or things are not floating as you wanted it to be in a positive direction and things are stuck. So you are feeling very low, depressive, stuck in a wrong state, in the muddied water, in the bad water. So your emotional health is looking very bad. So here healing is of prime importance for you. Healing is must, otherwise you might collapse in mentally. Mood swings, anxiety, stress, lot of emotional and psychological mess is expected. So you need to heal yourself. How will you do that? You need to balance your energies, meditate, yoga, workout. Don't miss on your health regime. Please take care of your health. It's very tough time evident and you have to be extra careful. I can see your grounding missing majorly because of the family, disrupted family. So here we have a family card, which is chakra advice card, which is saying first thing first, you have to balance your family energies to regain your grounding. Your family is disturbed, your professional life is disturbed. So all these things are expected to be disturbed. So please gain your grounding. Now again, I'm mentioning these tips here and there would be matching few people who are falling in this category. Not necessarily everybody is going through bad phase in every segment. So some people might be experiencing a bad phase in relationship, some might experience in career, some might be experiencing in health. So depending on your situation, pick and choose the advice. Now again, in our summary card we have a death card reverse, which is showing a sudden disruptive change which is expected in your life, and it is a destined change, so you can't do much to resist it, or you can't do much to avoid it. You have to accept it with the positive mindset and move on from it. Let things settle down and things will shape up for you. But this disruption was meant to happen, unfortunately so sudden in certain aspects of your life, and you have to accept it the way it is. Try to use more of red, more of yellow, more of orange in your life, so that you retain the vibrancy and the energy that is must for regaining your strength. Overall, it is going to be a real tough month for Virgos. I really hope you guys get some help out of this reading. I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading and you will try to utilize it to plan your coming month. This is a general reading, so if you are looking for any personal session, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook also, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook page and my YouTube channel, of course. And help me help you by sharing your queries. If at all you are looking for any reading, you can connect with me there. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family, because they can also get benefit out of these, as these are free readings. Also, don't forget to comment on my videos. I look forward to your comments. They help me to get your feedback as well as your suggestions. I really hope this reading helps you to plan the coming month. A very good luck.